I'm Frank Korb, and I'm running for District 4 Alderman in Burlington. I'm asking for your vote on February 19th's spring primary. I'm a lifelong resident of the southeastern Wisconsin area and been a resident here in Burlington for the past 24 years. I've demonstrated my commitment to our community's growth and future as a volunteer in southeastern Wisconsin and Burlington with many community organizations and school districts working to support, educate, and promote our children and the arts at all levels. I've been a professional educator for the past 23 years and a leader with the Wisconsin Art Education Association at the state level since 2014. I've served as the Southeastern Wisconsin Vice President and now I'm the chairperson for Youth Art Month. My desire is to promote and educate the importance of the arts in our community, and that's been my focus since my time serving with the WAEA. Serving the youth of our state has been important to me as I've given my time to help promote their success and passion for the arts. I'm now seeking the position of District 4 Alderman because I see the need to continue to promote the arts in our community and schools. I've enjoyed the growth of our Burlington businesses over the past number of years, and I will do what I can to help that continue to grow and thrive in our city. I will amplify the voices of our community members who need them heard, as well as be there to listen to and then deliver their concerns, ideas, and questions to our Common Council. My constituents' thoughts and concerns will be of top priority during my time as your alderman. I'm asking for you to vote during the spring primary on February 19th. Please vote Frank Korb for Alderman District 4, and please tell your friends and neighbors to do the same. Visit my website, korb4alderman.com, to find out more about me and what I can do for our community. I'm Frank Korb, and I approve this message. That's okay. I'll wait till he's done. You got that? You're good? Great.